Hey everyone, Chef Alex here. Today I want to show you a simple recipe. Pesto sauce, right from my garden. I grew pesto all summer. Been growing pesto all summer. It's 110 degrees out there. What better thing to do than make a fresh pesto sauce? It's very easy to make. For those of you who've never made it, I'm going to show you, such an easy recipe. It's incredible. It'll take me 3 minutes to set the whole thing up. It's really easy. You can get basil from your garden. You could get basil from the store. I'm using my basil from my garden. Alright, so the first thing you do is you come over by the pesto. Here's the pesto. A lot of pesto here. Right here. You got a mix of peppers and pesto. So, you do have pesto. And you're just going to cut the pesto. Alright, you cut the leaves. Oops, that one fell. You cut them. And you're going to cut as many as you want. And then you got to take them off the stems, and I'll show you that in a minute, but that's the start. You cut them. Make sure you use garden scissors. I know these aren't garden scissors, but it is what it is. Okay everyone, here we are with the next step. Now that we have all this, right, we have a lot of basil. I have a lot more, but we'll start with this. We're going to pull them off the stems, and you can have some stem in there, but you want to make sure you get them off, something like that. And you're going to throw them in there, in the colander, because you are going to rinse this. And you're going to let it dry after you rinse it. A couple things you don't want in there. You don't want, like, you see this here? You don't want that. Stuff like that you throw out. You don't want it in there. Also the seeds. You see the seeds? See these seeds? You don't want the seeds. So you're going to throw that out also. So you don't want seeds, and you don't want leaves that are dried. You just want the fresh, nice fresh stuff. So yeah, like that. You're going to put it in there, and I'll show you what the next steps are. Okay, so the pesto sauce, what do you need? You need pine nuts. Get some pine. Don't use walnuts or almonds or something. Use magnolia nuts, pine nuts. It's the way you make it. You need fresh garlic, but in this case right now, I'm using already ground garlic. Easy enough, but I like fresh garlic, but we're going to use this fresh enough. And do not use Parmesan cheese, very important. You need freshly grated Romano cheese, not Parmesan cheese. And you also need a very good olive oil. This is a very good olive oil right here. I use it all the time. So, very easy. We have the basil here. It's all picked. It's ready to go. It's very easy. Take this. In my case, I have my professional little grinder here. It's my Ninja. So this will chop everything up. So we're going to take this and put it in here. Put a bunch of this. We're going to take some of this olive oil. Very easy. Just drop some out. Now most people measure things. I've been cooking for so long that I don't measure. I just do it by eye. So if you're looking for measurements, you're not going to get them from me. I'm just showing you how to make it. So, and you got to do it to your liking, to your taste and the consistency. If the consistency is there and it looks good, you're done. So again, a little bit more olive oil. Let's throw some olive oil in there. All right. Some pine nuts. Let's throw some pine nuts in there. Very nice. Let's throw some garlic in there. Let's get a little spoon. Keep everything clean. Here, a nice spoonful of garlic. Bam! Throw some garlic in there. Let's just throw some Romano cheese. Throw a nice healthy amount. There you go. There's the Romano cheese. This is what you have right in there. Now we take this and cover it up. We put it on here. And we grind it. See that? Grind it some more. Now again, it's all about consistency, right? Now again, it's all about doing it the right way, right? Be consistent. See how I said that? Now, here we go. It's all done. There it is. And try it. It's so delicious. This is it. This is how you make it. It's very simple. Very simple. This is how you make pesto sauce. Done. Again, for those of you who didn't catch it, I show you again. It's already have some in there, but let's add some more. You take some fresh basil. Alright, throw it in there. Take some extra virgin olive oil. Don't buy that cheap stuff. Buy good extra virgin olive oil. Look at the ingredients. Make sure it says the only thing it contains is olive oil. No sunflower oil, nothing else. Just fresh. If you look at the ingredients, always check that. You can get the first cold press on the olives. You can do that. Then take some garlic. Pull up a garlic there. Take some of this. Throw it in there. Take some of this. Romano cheese. Throw it in there. Put the cover on. It's so easy to do. You don't have to get super fancy. Grind it up. And it's done. That's it. It's done. And this is your finished product. Again, your finished product. Look how nice. See that? See how it is? That's how you want it. No measuring cups, nothing. Just straight up pesto sauce. And then you can create multiple recipes. You take these, you put in ice cube trays. Now, I'll show you what I mean. Stay right there. Let's see if I have an ice cube tray here. There we go. Ice cube trays. You take them, you fill up the ice cube trays. Finally have it done. It's in here, as you can see, in the cubes. Now guess what? Now you can make salmon, right? Baked salmon, grilled salmon, shrimp, pasta. You can make all kinds of things with this. One of my favorite things to do with this is I take shrimp and I mix the shrimp with some pesto. Right? Take some of this pesto, mix some shrimp, leave it in the refrigerator overnight, and then you grill it. And then you make a nice arugula salad with lemon juice, put the shrimp in it. Perfect. So I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time.